For those who don't know, I have a cat named Dumbledore, and recently he would start asking about the wand, like especially the Elderwand that he's supposed to have. So I have to make one. While I'm missing a phoenix feather, I have some wood to make a wand. So this would be a purple heart core, this will be sapele core, and this will be Cuban mahogany core. So let's go with it.
Us your followers.
Okay, so let me start. Hopefully it will be something like this. I do not know yet. Ooh. And quickly run this stuff. Now I need to do initial layout. I don't know if I actually succeed with this. I'll do a little bit reduction here and be done. And transformation. Oh my gosh. This is super good. Gee. And just tiny bit application of this wax. And now polish. And done. Avada Kedavra. Though I still have a nose. This is a reasonably small project that you can do, just need a little bit of material, a little bit of patience, and it will be fun to play with. Do you know what's the actual size for the wand? So this one is really small, like 11 inches or so. but I need to know what the real size. Now I'm gonna find Dumbledore and we'll see if his wand is still his or it's already Harry Potter's. Dumbledore, this is your new wand. Avada Kedavra. No? Now it's your turn to play. For the Dumbledore army, this will be your wand. Okay?